A district court judge struck down the FDA's premium cigar warning label requirement earlier this week. Find out more on this edition of Ruthless Insider. Hello and welcome to another edition of Ruthless Insider. The cigar industry is celebrating what they consider a legislative victory against the US FDA this week, as US District Court Judge Amit Mehta has ruled that the warning label requirement imposed on the premium cigar industry by the FDA is illegal. The judge based his ruling on several factors, including how the warning label requirement would, quote, violate manufacturers' First Amendment rights, and how it violates the Administrative Procedure Act, which outlines how the FDA develops and enforces its rules. Mehta summarized his decision as a failure of the FDA to articulate a reasoned basis for requiring warning labels for premium cigars. He went on to say, quote, by failing to analyze whether consumers are in fact misinformed or underinformed as to premium cigar health effects, the agency has failed to offer rational connection between facts and judgment required to pass muster under the arbitrary and capricious standard. J.C. Newman Cigar Company, a family-owned premium cigar company that has been among the more active manufacturers advocating for regulatory relief since the announcement of the deeming rule, released the following statement. For 125 years, my family has been carefully packing our handcrafted cigars in decorative wooden boxes with beautiful cigar labels and bands. FDA wanted to cover 30% of a cigar box with a large health warning label. This would have destroyed the historic character of premium cigar packaging and turned walk-in humidors in premium cigar stores into large billboards for the FDA. In 3 months, we will be required to file substantial equivalency reports for all new cigars first sold after 2007. This is a monumental and exorbitantly expensive requirement that no one has been able to meet, and we urgently need relief from it. We are very grateful to the plaintiffs in Texas for litigating this case and for Cigar Rights of America and the Premium Cigar Association for continuing to advocate on behalf of the premium cigar industry. My family and I look forward to continue working with them and others in the industry to ensure that America's premium cigar tradition can continue for generations. Similar arguments have been made in defense of the vapor industry in recent months to no avail. Why do you think that this ruling was made for the cigar industry when these products have been proven to cause various kinds of cancer and even stroke? Please share your thoughts with us down below, and as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell button to keep up to date with all of our Ruthless content. This has been Nick with Ruthless Insider, and we'll see you next time.